up and out. Because remember we said the other gate at the top.
Yeah, upstairs.
Which one? Well, make sure if you do it, me and John witness it because.
Well, someone gets it on camera.
I did that line. It took me like. What line was easy?
I don't want to wait till last.
You did that line, bro?
Which one?
He did that line?
I followed John on one line.
No, he didn't do that one.
Oh.
That crawl, that big up?
No, he didn't do that.
No, I did that, Vinny. I ended up doing it.
What?
The turn when I repositioned.
All right, come on, let's do this line.
I did the turn in the first shot. I know what you're doing, yeah. Well, as long as he gets. Yeah, but gotta say, this is his first time out on real rocks.
I know.
So it's good. That's good, yeah. It's good for him to be out here. Maybe we'll steal him from you and make him a Westchester unpaid boy. Well, I'm now looking at my truck here.
Now I know.
Oh, he doesn't drive? Oh.
Yeah, he needs some work to it. Because I already know all the weaknesses.
I don't know, I couldn't get that to work.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Fucking folks fell on the fucking road.
Serious? That's badass.
Did you have the back?
Sonya, we do tough lines. You gotta make a big loop.
That is badass.
Which part is badass?
My truck.
The whole thing.
Oh, I don't see upstairs. I'm looking down.
That's up too far.
Oh, my battery.
Bouncing around right there.
Come on, can you give the Redcat 6 lives?
Come on, I'm doing it.
Fucker.
That's trickier than what you think. Well, you got all that weight, so.
Look, you know me.
I didn't go up to there.
Yeah, just add the weight. Don't tune the truck.
No. It was all in pieces. In fact, this got to come off. The center diff.
That's everywhere you
Too much
climb.
heavy.
No, it's getting stuck a lot.
Yes, and I want to go back with the regular one where it's narrow.
There's that line over there, dude. That shit
It's
was
narrow
this
and
is
it gets
hard
more
for me.
turn because it hits just a little.
My link is catching on the outside of the chassis.
So I crawled. I had to crawl more to the left.
Talking to me?
Yeah, I can't go straight up.
G-shot.
You had to go.
In a
turn
little
to
bit,
the
I'm
left
gonna end up
more.
going
Yeah.
back, and I'm gonna go get the G-shot.
Yeah.
So my link on the outside catches and throws my nose over. Sorry.
I dropped the lighter you gave me, but I found it very
I'm trying to fucking get in closer so I can see. Fucking sun is in my eyes.
There you go.
Let me try like this.
Yep.
Gotta get that fucking bolt around. You hear it like fucking ripping the rock apart. Probably a few more tries, I'll break the fucking rock.
Demon's been like in a lot of holding patterns.
The roan was putting, and it was all coming right up.
Oh, I'm going this way.
Oh, that was my
Where was it?
battery. Shoot.
No, when you got a race line up?
Ammo, you should come hang out one night during the week.
I was getting, all your smoke was coming right up and I was breathing it in.
They were at David's house on one night, Ken and Jim. I don't know if Jim ever recovered.
I'm putting a fan in the basement.
How was that night, Jim? You got nice and high? Was the second hit? No, but he's giggling.
Was it as bad as Chris's wedding?
No.
Nothing as bad as that. Dima was dying at Chris's wedding. I had the biggest headache after that. Fucking, they were passing the joint in front of him. He was in a fucking secondhand smoke. I'm not gonna get your radio. I saw your hand for it though.
What are you thinking?
Oh, you thinking of something?
Yeah, I think the battery went dead. You son of a bitch.
Again?
I said, what do you mean again?
You just changed it on the other side of the rock.
It's a little 500. Don't last that long.
What are you doing with the 500?
The light.
You just said for 2200.
Ah, fuck, too much weight.
Well, this 2200 is the size of an 850.
Man, just put it in a bind.
Yes, it's the size of an 850.
Mine's the size of like a watch battery.
That's
my ass. I pulled the battery, it's just in a bind. And it's just the motor lockout thing on me.
Thank you.
No, but I'm hoping I got the grip now.
I had no end game there, so thank you.
He made it so far easy. I told you, it's all that weight.
Where are we going now?
Oh, like halfway up the rock.
He's rearranging the rocks over here.
Who is? Wrong button. Oh, helicopter. I don't know about helicopter, man, because it's hanging up in the air. Fucking thing's falling from the sky.
You restacking it?
No.
Your truck's ripping them apart.
Yeah, just moving.
If he climbs this, we gotta do it again.
I think I put my truck in a bind and the ESC shut out. It wasn't the battery. I did it last time I was here. I don't know why I can't do it.
Because you went higher, that's why. You went more to the left.
I tried to the right too.
I can't
get this bolt off that fucking ledge.
You put a button head screw there.
I know. Well, that's the next upgrade.
Right? Missing everybody?
That's the upgrade for this thing.
No, it's not even my truck. I just didn't want it to fall. Oh. I'm behind him.
Oh, okay.
It's that milk crate that you have in there. It's empty.
Yeah, it needs rocks in it for more weight. Right wheel. So what life are you on now?
I'm on 7.
Yeah, this is gonna be 7 if you come.
What's hanging up? Your pumpkin?
Yeah, he thinks it's Halloween.
Man, tell your axles it's not Halloween. It's not pumpkin time.
Cats get confused.
Yeah, cats are confused. Might be that big hole the fucking passenger rear wheel is in.
Yeah, just go reverse.
We're glad you came out, Ron, giving us some good entertainment.
Yeah, I come for this.
He says I talk too much shit, so I'm gonna continue.
I love it. No, I wanted to know. When can we start busting balls on the site?
Just so you know, we feed on other people's failures.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, especially me.
Oh, yeah, me too. I'll post all your bad runs.
Yeah. We're gonna post you not making it. Whoa, you got it now, Daron.
Oh, he got it.
Oh no! No!
Stop.
His front drive shaft.
It's the drive shaft, right?
Yeah, something broke.
Do I go up there and pop it in?
That's like 2 lives.
Well, let me know when you want to do a line where you don't break.
There's the drive shaft. It's in there. It's in there.
Yes, drive shaft. It's here.
Fell out.
No,
Yeah,
it's here, Daron. Everything is here.
The center?
Yeah, everything is here.
You got the center? Okay, pop
How
it.
do I keep popping out? Oh, it's
The center's so short.
Sorry, it's like a joke of the club. That's how we feed on everybody, each other's failures, you know?
Yeah, you need to put it along a spline or
Yeah, I
something.
didn't mean to like jinx it.
You need to 3D print the fucking
Like, it's like a sponge.
not a dildo, but you should have 3D printed
A cat.
a bigger center part for your cat.
He's back.
Your cat's
Let's
fucking,
put it right there in that place. Somewhere. Okay. Let me show Vinny how you do this on a bread prop.
left? We use 80% battery with you.
Yeah, the fucking battery in my truck's gonna go dead by the time you get through
8
there.
minutes watching this guy.
Retry rule, so we're not here all day.
Oh, the drive shaft again.
The drive.
That's it. The cat's dead.
Now-
That's
now
6.
it's missing.
That's 6
Now
more
it's missing
lives.
the piece. Hold on. Where's the piece?
Right there. So see that rock on the top?